Hello and welcome to 3D Printonics. In today's video we are going to see the unboxing and usage of XYZ Touch Probe by 3dprintonics.com. Once you open the box, you will first remove this bubble wrap packing. After that you will remove this cable. This is the cable of the XYZ Touch Probe and this is the probe. These are all the items that you will receive in the XYZ Touch Probe package. First, remove this cable. There is a small screw, that is the button head M3 into 6 mm, which is used in the XYZ Touch Probe. Now I have unwrapped this cable. We have provided a quick disconnect JST connector in this cable. So you can remove it like this and this cable becomes completely separate from the main cable. It is time to remove the poly wrap from the XYZ Touch Probe. Be very careful not to use any knives or any sharp object which may damage the top surface. Now we will connect the cable to the XYZ Touch Probe in this hole. For that we will use button head M3 into 6 mm screw and we will use a 2 mm Allen key. We will keep the probe like this. The ring connector will be connected in this orientation on the XYZ Touch Probe. Do not try to connect the ring connector in this orientation, otherwise it will not connect properly. So this side will remain up. Don't keep it like this. First connect it loosely and make sure the connector is not tilted at any angle, or it is not in this orientation. The connector has to be in this orientation only. You just need to make sure that this connector has been properly, this ring connector has been properly connected to the XYZ Touch Probe. Also make sure that the wire is firmly crimped in this ring connector. Now we will connect XYZ Touch Probe to the black box controller. The XYZ Touch Probe will go into this connector. Black wire will go in this and white wire will go here like this. So in order to install these wires into this connector, we will first remove this connector. This port has marked here ground and signal. So the ground cable, the ground port will take the black cable and signal will take the white. Now this is how the connector will look once you have connected your wires, and now you will simply connect it to this port and push the connector all the way in till you hear a click noise. After you have connected this main cable to the black box controller, we will now connect this cable to the main cable. Now we will take the XYZ probe and we will put it in the corner of our workpiece. Make sure and both this side and this side are firmly against the sides of your workpiece. Now before you start the XYZ probing sequence using OpenBuild's control, first connect this alligator clip firmly to the end mill and then manually touch this probe to the end mill. Once you touch this probe to the end mill, if you see the OpenBuild's control while touching this probe, the probe will change its position from off to on. It is very important that you do this step every time before you start probing. This step is important to make sure that the wiring of the XYZ probe is correct. In the troubleshooting tab, there is a probe option, and by default it is off. Once you touch this probe to the bit, it will turn from off to on position. Then you can start the XYZ probing sequence from OpenBuild's control. Before starting the XYZ probing sequence from OpenBuild's control, you will first go to the troubleshooting tab, and here you can see this probe option right now is showing as off position. The status is off. But if you connect the alligator clip to the end mill, and if you touch the XYZ probe manually to the end mill, this will change from off to on position, which means that the probe wiring is correct. Always remember to do this step before you start the XYZ probing sequence. Now you can see it is turning from off to on. After this step, you can go to the main screen, and then you can go to probe, and you can start your probing sequence. Whenever you start your probing sequence, immediately go to the abort option, so that if anything goes wrong, you can just click on the abort button and everything will stop there.